Just a couple days ago, OpenAI unveiled their agent builder, kind of their version of N8N that everyone was going crazy about. The first thing I did was build out an insane workflow for getting untapped Etsy products and niches. So let me show you exactly how you can do it yourself. So here is the output that you're going to get from doing this. Now, all I did was I gave it a very broad prompt. I said, find me a profitable Etsy niche to get into. And take a look at the results here. It's giving me a breakdown on the demand, the competition, average price at which I can sell at in there, the difficulty, and if it thinks I should get into it. Now look, pet remembrance ornament, it wants me to test it. Family recipe cutting board, test. Engraved charcuterie board, test. Message card necklace for daughter, test. These are niches and keywords that you might not have ever thought of getting into. Ones that go down, micro niches inside of these high competition niches that people are just ignoring. And thanks to this agent we've built out, we can find keywords like this at huge scale, on demand, whenever we want to. So let's get into building it. Firstly, we want to head over to platform.openai.com and you will get this kind of like developer backend. We then come down to the left panel, go to build agents and agent builder. And then we click open agent builder. Now you might need to log in here. You might need to put in a bank card and spend $10 or whatever to get into here. But I promise you it is worth it. Now, once we get here, we simply just want to click create. And now this opens up. We have start and my agent. Now, what we want to do at the start here is this agent is going to be our initial prompt receiver. This is where we give the prompt in of, hi, I want to get into a profitable clothing niche. I want to get into a profitable jewelry niche. Find me some digital planners ideas I can sell. So we simply want to give it a name, product or niche. That is the name. And now there'll be a link in the description with the prompts that you want to paste in, and they go in the instructions tab. I'm making this all for you. I'm spoon feeding this to you. All you have to do is a little bit of copy and pasting here. So easy. I cannot make it easier for you guys. Now we come out and we want to make a new node, which is going to be a new agent. And this is where we generate keywords. So let's name it generate keywords and put in our generate keywords instructions. So this is going to receive the input from product or niche agent, and it is then going to expand into 10 to 30 Etsy keyword ideas from broad to niche variations, and it's going to return it as a simple list. Make sure you have include chat history on for this. The next thing we're going to do, we've generated our keywords. Now we need to analyze them. So we create a new agent here, analyze keywords, paste in our analyze keywords instructions. As I said, guys, it cannot get any easier than this. Now, again, we get the input from the previous agent and the keyword list. For each keyword we receive, we want the AI using its deep research to get an estimate on the competition. What is the relative difficulty going to be? We want the approximate search demand using Etsy autocomplete or proxy reasoning, average pricing of the top listings, engagement signals, right? It's going to go in. It's going to see how many reviews these listings have, these keywords and listings in those keywords have, the favorites they have. And then based on around its findings, it's going to rank whether it's high potential, neutral, or low potential. And we want to focus purely on high potential keywords here. Okay. Again, I'm giving you the framework for this, boys. Play around with it. Add your own little twists onto this, because I promise this is going to be a huge money maker for you. Now, we come into the final step. We end up with our output agent, and we want to present the keyword research as a markdown table with columns, which includes the keyword, the demand, competition, average price, difficulty, and verdict. And then below that, we want AI to get the top 2 to 3 keywords it's plucked out and explain to us why we should get into them. And now that is it. We are now done. So we come over to preview and we give it a run. We say, find me a profitable Etsy dropshipping niche. We're going to give it absolutely no information, no direction whatsoever, and let's see what it comes back for us. Now the output is complete. We can see it's gone product or niche agent at the start here. Then it's gone into generate keywords, analyze keywords, and now the output table. Look at all of these keywords that we have been given. Go, 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 go. AI is just on us to get into these. Custom pet portrait memorial, pet memorial nightlight, custom pet nightlighter with name. Oh, there's so much money to be made in these keywords. It is crazy. Top keywords and opportunities and why. Pet memorial nightlight, pet memorial sun catcher, pet memorial garden flag. Amazing. Let's go find some products to fill these keywords. So take a look what I've dug up here. 6 years on Etsy, 26k sales, and they're doing these pet sun catchers. However, they're not targeting the pet memorial niches inside of them. Now these are super cool, super nice. You know, sorry to say this all did start with drop shipping, and now maybe they have some in stock. But the important thing to think here, guys, is there doesn't have to be any customization. A lot of dogs look the same. A golden retriever, when it's on this small stained glass like this, will look 99.9% the same as every other golden retriever. And that kind of goes the same with other pets. So I've come over to AliExpress and take a look what we found here. Right, we found a bunch of these acrylic sun catchers. All these different dogs we've got. Take a look what we have just dug up. Now, all of this, we found this niche. I know these sun catchers do well. We've even got 2 sizes. We've got all these different designs and styles. Also, Etsy at the minute is testing 20 photos per listing. It used to be 10. So you could essentially get all of these sun catchers into one master listing, and then a bunch of sub listings focusing on specific dog breeds, cat breeds, whatever. You can break them down, you know, into tiny little dogs, big dogs. You can do a whole bunch of things. But look, we found that with one quick agent we built in OpenAI, super quick little search on Etsy. We've tested the market. We know this is a strong niche. We know it's a niche that will last. Okay, we've got a big dog here, but they're targeting the wrong things, right? If we come through and take a look at some other ones, you know, we see in 2 years on Etsy, 28k sales. They've got a lot of listings, but we're finding listings on AliExpress with this, however many it is inside here, from one seller. It will not be long before you have 500 listings up on your store in this, making 500k worth of sales every single day. This would be one store from one idea that this agent has given you. I highly advise you get something like this set up and you start printing yourself, because we're in Q4 now, guys, and it is money printing season.